Hello, greetings. How's everybody? I hope everybody's good in good health, and especially this pandemic going on our world. And please always be careful. Wash your hands all the time. Keep doing the social distance, mask, and face shields. We need to protect ourselves all the time on this virus that wandering around on the world. Okay, our topic for today is Diecast Car Toy by Johnny Lightning. Woohoo! Okay, first car for today is that is a black color by Johnny Lightning. It's a 1967 Pontiac Firebird. Wow. One of the muscle car. See, Johnny Lightning is more detailed. If you're gonna look at it, it's more detailed on their car. Diecast car toy. Sometimes the hood or the back or the door there opens. Like this one, I think the hood is open because see, if you're gonna notice it, it's not totally sealed. Okay. So if you open that, you're gonna see a engine on it. Okay, let's check it out. First, let's check the wheels. Wheels are more details. See the sparkly over there. The front, see the lights. You can see the headlights, the grill, and if you're gonna look in the bottom, there is a fog light. Check in the back. There you go. It's detailed too. You can see the red, the brake light, and you can notice it the bumper. Okay, and Johnny Lightning, they have a serial number 2 on their cardboard box. Okay, let's put that one there. That's a 1967 Pontiac Firebird. Okay. The next one is another Pontiac Firebird. This one is white with flaming flame. There you go. Beautiful, almost the same with the other one. You can see the detail. You can see the, where you open the door. Sorry for my fingernails, I didn't clean them yet. And the bumper in the back, and the lightning. And the difference of this two car, even the rim, if you're gonna look at them, are different. They're not the same. Beautiful. This is a 1967 Pontiac Firebird. It's a white one. Same thing, they have a serial number on the box. Back over there. And the next one is another muscle car. But this one is like two-door. Yeah, most of them are two-door. What kind of car is this? Let's see. This one is 1981 Chevy Malibu. 1981 Chevy Malibu. Nice color, brown. Same thing. I think you can open the hood on this car over there. See, because of the lining. And detailed, you see the amber light over there, the bumper, and the grill. Then you can see the rim, tires, very good, nice. And the bumper, and I think there's if you're gonna look at it, it's look like a plate number in the back. I'm not sure. It's look like though, huh? Okay, put it there. The next one, ta-da! Beautiful car, beautiful car. It's a Dodge 1970 Dodge Challenger TA. Wow, nice color, orange. There's 77. It's more nice if they put the wheels Goodyear on it. You know, some other cars they have a detail like that. Nice front. You can see the grille, the lights, the fog light underneath. The simple color black in the top, the hood, and the roof, and the back. There you go. Beautiful. Another detail over there. Let's put that on there. Same thing, they have there 32999D000. Let's check this one out, if the serial number the same or not. I need to tilt it a little bit so we can see the number. 3359900. So they're not the same though. Okay, there you go. The last one, but not the least. Oh no, fell. Sorry. Pick it up. Fell in the ground. Sorry for the noise and the scratchy thing. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, the last not but the least is 2008 Dodge Viper SRT10. Dodge Viper 2008, recently. Beautiful Dodge Viper. See the detail. Nice. See the grill, the wheels. Got stripe black in the top. This one is silver. Beautiful. Yes. Janet lining is more, above a little bit the other cars, and the metal they use is kind of more heavier a little bit. Okay, there you go. So this is the 5 car for today, one of my collection. We have the Dodge Viper 2008, then we have the Dodge 1976 Challenger, then we have the 1981 Chevy Malibu, beautiful. Then we have the 1967 Pontiac Firebird, pretty, yoo-hoo. And the next one, not least, the black 1967 Pontiac Firebird. Okay, that's it, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for watching, and please, if you're gonna ride, please always be defensive. Bye.